In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF files in Adobe Reader DC. So first you have your file pulled up in the folder, and you're going to right click it and go down to Open With, and then select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. This is a free program that you can download from the Adobe website. So once your file pulls up, you can just click on any box with the blue coloring on it and begin typing. And the way that Adobe Reader DC works is that the font size and colors are set up by the person who designed the file. So in this case, I set up the file, so I chose what font and what colors. So this one's pretty basic because it's just a calendar. But you can see that as you continue typing on here, as the box gets full of text, that it goes down in size. So you can add more to it if you need to. So you won't run out of room if it's a day that has a lot of things on it.